good morning mga ka-friendship. Welcome to my channel. So today guys, we are going to Heidelberg Market. So it's museum. It's a market, Heide makers market. So we're going which way? So dito guys, you can find a lot of things like craft, everything. It's a big market. And actually it's what is it, Han? It's actually
the Heide Museum.
Heide Museum. So Heide Museum of Model Art. So yun yung tawag. Modern art. So ayan. So it's a big market and you can find everything. Not actually everything, but most of them were handcrafted. So let's go. So you can see they have their own tent. Look at this, guys. It's actually dried flower. I'm the same. I'm looking for him.
I know. I'm gonna look for you on the YouTube channel.
Yeah, definitely. Ivesby.
Yeah, I'll look for you.
Yeah, I will definitely. I will put it on my YouTube channel.
Thank you.
So this all the price, and they have small one here. Look at this one. It's very tiny, but actually it's there's a flower inside, and I love this one. Oh, unique.
No, it won't even come off. It will come off. I promise you. Thank you.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
And this is thank you. Oh my goodness. Oh, this one, look at this one. So this one actually is cups. So did you made them all?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. So this one, for example, if you're planning to make like this, so how long it will take you to finish this?
So they all takes not so much to make on a wheel,
Yeah.
around 5 minutes, but
Oh,
it needs
really?
to dry
To
couple
dry,
of days, then fire for a couple
Ah.
of days, and then again glaze and
Glaze.
fire for a couple of days. So around a week.
Yeah, okay, so like you made it like during summer? Do you make it like during summer or like
I wish I make this every day.
every day? So what about
My
like for
full-time
example
job,
what about for example like if winter time, because it's not hot, so you still can make it like this? Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Look at this, guys. And this one actually is 35. So like the name of the store actually is Sticky Earth. I like the name. Yeah, and if you're looking to buy some,
Yeah.
so this is the name, and this is the website and the contact number. So yeah. So thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Oh my. Oh, really? Oh, that's cool.
Four pieces.
Oh, which one? So actually, sadly, guys, I just want to show you. I just want to show with you guys. This actually is made. My friends made them. So this is her store jewelry. So yeah. So this one, look at this one. It's very detailed. I don't know, Joe, how you made it. Oh my God. How long it will take you to make this?
Probably 2 hours.
2 hours. That's quick. Oh, I love this one. Joe, I love this one.
Thank you.
Oh, your jewelry is really nice. This one. Look at this. OMG, you're very talented, Joe. Sorry. Maybe I have moved here. Oh, this is the one that you made before.
Yeah.
Oh, and look at this.
This is my wedding earring.
Wedding. Did you made it?
I made it.
Oh, wow.
And you see the back here? It's a K and a J.
Juan was Kes and Joanna. So you're actually selling it? Or you just it's a display?
It display, but if people like want, I
One.
can do like
It's like
custom made.
customized.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Look at this Joe. So how long have you been doing this? So actually this is, I'll show you her
years.
card.
3 years for this market.
Wow.
Yeah.
Look at this Joe. Hello guys, so we're finished finally. I finished now. I didn't film the whole shop, the whole market, because it's a bit big, so I select few shop that I film. So thank you guys for watching, and see you next time. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thank you.